What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. If you guys don't know who I am, my name is Cole Merrill. I am the host of this channel. Whatever, let's get right into today's video. Okay, so you clicked on this video. Hopefully you already know what CPM means, but if you don't, I'm going to explain it right now. So what CPM means is per 1,000 clicks per million, pretty much, but it's how much YouTube pays you per 1,000 views. So YouTube tells you, okay, YouTube tells you pretty much, it's known, I would say it's known knowledge if you know how much YouTubers get paid, that most YouTubers get paid anywhere from 1 cent all the way up to $4.25 per 1,000 views. Okay, so if you get 1,000 views on a video, you get paid $4.25 at the max. Okay, and that is what I thought personally, and what plenty of other people think is how much you get paid. Okay, I'm here to tell you that that's not true, okay? There are people out there making, I think the highest I've seen is $36.96 per 1,000 views. Per 1,000 views. Think about that for a second. You get 1,000 views, you can fill up gas. You can fill up your gas tank, okay? The CPM is anywhere from 1 cent all the way up to, I'm gonna say $40 per 1,000. That's freaking insane. Okay, I'm gonna put a little picture up right here. Jeez. A little picture up right here of the channel of the guy who is making $37 per 1,000 views. That is insane. Okay, guys, I want to explain this to you. If I got 5,000 views, all right, we're gonna do it on the calculator just because I can't really do 37 times 5 in my head. Okay, so we're just gonna do right here. We're going to screen record it just because. Why not? We just want to let you guys see, I guess. So we're just going to cut that out. Okay. So we're going to go 36.95, pretty much what he's getting. We're going to times that by 5. Okay? You got 5,000 views. 184. Okay? Now, YouTube, what they do is they take a 45-55 cut. They take 45% and you keep 55%. Okay, now I would say that's pretty good because other places like Twitch, they take, I think it's like 80% or something like that. It's really high. I know it's really high. I could be wrong, so don't quote me, but I know it's really high. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this 184, we're just gonna round it up to 185 just because. So we're gonna go 0.55 times 175. I don't know why I clicked 78, but whatever, we're just gonna keep it just because I know I messed up. You would get $98, give or take. Give or take, I would say, for 5,000 views. 5,000 views, you get $100. That is absolutely insane. Okay, now we're gonna go back in. Let's say you get paid the normal, I would say some people I know get paid $1. Let's just say you get paid $1. We already know that's $5, all right? So we're gonna times 55 times 5. You get $2.75. Okay. Now I'm gonna show you the video of this man who is getting $37 per 1,000 views. His name is Ryan Pineda. I don't know how to say it. I'm sorry, but this man is absolutely crushing it. Okay. Excuse me. This man lives in Vegas, just like me. I'm pretty sure. He only has 55,000 subscribers. I say only, meaning like compared to other YouTubers, not compared to me. If I had 55,000, whoa, that'd be crazy. But okay, aside from the point, this man has 55,000 subscribers. Okay, he gets around like 4,000 to 5,000 views on each video. His highest video is 500,000. His lowest is I think like a couple hundred, and he gets paid $37 per 1,000 views. 500,000 views. That's 50 times 30. Do you guys want me to do the math? That's a lot of money. That is a ton of money, okay? So let's just lay this out again. The CPM that YouTube pays you is it is determined by your channel type. Now I don't know which one is technically the lowest, but I know that education, finance, and business type videos are at the one of the top ones. What's the other top one? I know that fitness is pretty high up there. I think gaming is like in the middle-ish. I'm pretty sure vlogs and like entertainment is like at the bottom. No, music is at the bottom. Music is very, very bottom because they get billions and billions of views. I mean, every single day. So they're pretty much at the very bottom. Like, yes, they're gonna get paid. Of course, you get a billion views, you're gonna get freaking paid a ton of money. But you're at the very bottom, and then finances all the way up here. I would say $40 per 1,000 views. That is absolutely insane. So yes, you can definitely, I know there's tons of people out there not making any money on YouTube. There's also a ton of people out there making plenty of money on YouTube. So that's pretty much just like the little idea of it. And I didn't really believe it when my dad showed me last night, and I kind of just wanted to like put that out there because it is that's insane. Like that's just so crazy. So I just wanted to let you guys know, honestly, that's pretty much what this video is about. It's kind of just like an informative education type video, letting you know what's going on and how much you can get paid with YouTube, what your low CPM is, what the high is, you know, 1 cent, $40. We're gonna put 37 just because that's the highest I've seen. 1 cent, $40, like it could be anywhere in that range. 1 cent, $40 thumbnail. But yeah, it can be anywhere in that range. That's just insane. Alright, I want to thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope it was a little bit informative. I'm trying to make better videos, more entertaining. I'm going to add some music into this video. Hopefully you guys like it. My friend, he makes beats and music. Go check it out down in the link below. I used some of his beats in this video. Hopefully you guys liked it. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Alright, adios guys. Have an amazing day.